Hello kitties, let's learn to draw to the shape. Star. Pentagon. Rectangle. Heart. Oval. Half circle. Let's learn some color name. Light green color, forest green color, yellow color, sea green color, purple color, blue color, pink color, red color, brown color, sky blue color, black color, baby pink color, orange color. Now color to the shape. Blue color in a star shape. Pink color in a pentagon shape. Brown color in a rectangle shape. Light green color in a heart shape. Baby pink color in a oval shape. Sea green color in a half circle shape. Let's learn revise. Star, pentagon, rectangle, heart, oval, half circle. Please do like, share and subscribe.